Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here at Aldi and I was looking for some clearance items, but hey, no luck today. So I'm going to show you some of the old finds that's here. It's not on clearance, but they still have them in stock. It is not the new finds. These are old finds, but they're not on clearance. Okay, so right here we have the casserole dish for $14.99. This drip glazed bacon dish, it is $12.99. This hydration tracker bottle, it is $8.99. The water infuser and brew bottle, $9.99. Filtration pitcher, $17.99. Right here we have the reusable straws for $4.99. Right here is the antibacterial cutting boards for $4.99. The veggie and fruit stretch pods, $7.99. And the game dish detergent is $2.24. Okay, so we're gonna go back on this end and come back down. Okay, this marble serving tray, it is $6.49. Right there. I can't believe all these items are still here. These decanters here, this one is $39. Well, no, it is, wait a minute. It's $12.99. This 6-piece set here is the glass canisters, $14.99. Right here, it is a 3-piece canister with the lids and 33 labels included. They're $8.99. This six-piece glass bowl set is six-piece for $14.99. This covered fridge tray, it is $14.99. Oh, these are really nice. Yes. Okay. Okay, now down here they still have these marble wine racks for $6.29 right here. The espresso maker is $39.99. This 3-pack rotating lock containers is a 6-piece set for $14.99. Juice and store jar, $6.99. Wow, can't believe all these things are still here. This little thingy here, it is $9.99. Oops, I did it. Okay, this fry pan here, it is $14.99. They also have this 2-quart saucepan. Okay, it's $14.99 as well. Okay, this sliding basket organizer, $29.99. Can you all believe these items are still here? Wow. Line drawer organizers, $9.99. I think these were last week. Yep, $9.99. Did I go over the cutting board? Yes, I did. Okay. The apothecary glass jar set, it is $14.99. The kitchen cabinet organizer, it is $9.99. You get a 2-pack. Okay, this slide out drawer right here, I see it in black. It is $16.99. Okay. These pantry organizers right here and right here, they're $3.99. And these are turnable here. Okay. Now these kitchen cabinet bins right here, they're $7.99. Right. This one, and this one. think these came last week as well. This stuff is not moving. Okay. The LED ultrasonic humidifier is $16.99. Vacuum food sealer refills, $13.99. The Downy beads are $15.94, and the Downy infusions is $7.94. The Tide Pods, they're $12.97. The utility tray, it is $4.29. These blankets here, they are $14.99, regular $20. Yes, this is last week, guys. This angle broom or microfiber mop, it is $6.99. Okay, this portable cool mist humidifier, it is $7.49. Here we go. This photo size thermal laminated pouches, $5.99. Okay, and the laminator itself, 9 inches, it is $19.99. Not a bad deal, guys. This adjustable height 2 shelf kit, it is $19.99. The boot rack, it is $19.99 as well. This 4-drawer storage towel, it is $39.99. It's this one right here. And this one is a 12-drawer rolling cart. It is $49.99. Here we have another shoe rack right here for $9.99. More baskets, guys. Bathroom seagrass baskets for $14.99. We have this one and that one right there and the round one. Okay. The heated sensing bath mat, $7.49. Cute. The non-contact or ear thermometer here is $24.99. This robotic floor duster, it is $19.99. More refills here for $5.94. Wax warmer sets right there, they are $12.99. Okay, these shower curtain liners are $6.99. The Easy Home multifunctional 2-in-1 shower system, it is $19.99. The Kid Sonic electric toothbrush, $9.99, regular $20. The 3D white toothpaste or Pro Flex, it is $6.97. Right here we have the cotton shower curtains. They are luxury for $14.99. These stools here that matches that ladder that I think is still here, it is $29.99. Yes, this folding step stool, gray, rose, and white, it is $9.99. And yes, let me go and look at this ladder over here, guys. I'm going to show you that it is still here. Yep, right here. It is still here, guys, and it is $49.99. As well as this tripod floor lamp for $59.99. It's still here. Ugh. And this little cat scratching playhouse, $8.99. It is here as well. So yeah, that's what's here, guys. It's not on sale, but they are old finds here at Aldi. Okay, guys, we're gonna go over to the grocery section. That will be video number 2 or 3. I'm not sure which order I'm going to put them in, but that is the end of this one right here. I hope you all get a chance to watch all 3 videos that I'm going to put up today. And if you have not, please subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. Thank you all so much for your support. Thanks for watching. Please share the videos with all your friends and family, and I'll see you on the next one.